This is Microsoft Clarity pointed to a Microsoft Dynamics environment, and it's showing me just the information that I want to see and that I should be able to see. So in this case, showing a specific contact, but see how it's not showing any sensitive data, right? It's showing the mouse movements and exactly what I need to know, but it's not showing any sensitive data. Everything else that could be sensitive is masked. So I'm going to show you exactly how that's configured. Now, before I do that, let me show you this exact screen in Microsoft Dynamics. Here's the actual contact. In contacts, Sydney Heiga sample contact. It's got a lot of sensitive data in here, and I don't want Microsoft Clarity to capture this sensitive data. What I do want it to capture is the mouse movements that I'm having. I do want it to capture the top bar, the left bar, because none of this information is sensitive. So the non-sensitive information and the clicks and the heat map and recording, everything I wanted to capture, I just don't want it to capture any sensitive data. So I'm going to show you exactly the masking settings in Microsoft Clarity that makes this happen. We're back in Microsoft Clarity, looking at the same screen that I was showing before. So here I'm going to go into settings and you want to go into masking. Strict is the best masking setting that you can do for any environment that is sensitive. Okay, that's what I would recommend for any environment. Balanced is, not predictable, so you don't know exactly what they will deem as sensitive. So be careful using this one and only use relaxed when maybe it's your own website or your own environment that you don't mind it capturing everything. And keep in mind that it is storing this data in Microsoft Clarity and Azure. It is GDPR and CCPA compliant, but still it is your data that's going up there. So having said all that stuff, here's what I recommend for specific masking settings for Microsoft Dynamics environment. Quite simply, first you want to click on strict. You want everything to be masked by default, but then at the bottom section over here, you can add elements by clicking on add element, putting the CSS selector, which I have done for all these different selectors, and then you can choose to unmask them. Same exact way, if you had this relaxed, you can add the elements and choose to mask them. So here are the very specific elements that I'm showing over here that I would recommend you unmask for Microsoft Dynamics environment. That way, you only see the data that you should be able to see right here and don't see the data in the middle here that's all sensitive that you should not want to see and should not be uploaded to Azure environment. And there you have it. This is how you can set up the proper masking settings in Microsoft Clarity project to be able to see the needed Microsoft Dynamics user behavior analytics data without violating any privacy restrictions.